Is it the right time to buy or sell Bitfarms Ltd stock? In this video, we'll be taking a deep dive into Bitfarms Ltd. We initially published a report on our website on Friday, December 29, 2023, and now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any important updates that could impact your investments. Improve your trading decisions by trying out our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of artificial intelligence and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since November 28, 2023, our system has ranked Bitfarms Ltd as a hold/accumulate, giving it a score of -0.63. Now, let's take a closer look at how the stock has performed during this period. The stock has actually exceeded our expectations, with a remarkable gain of 117.16% since we first recommended buying Bitfarms Ltd 23 days ago. This translates to an average return of 5.09% per day since it was listed as a hold/accumulate. The stock is currently experiencing a strong and steady upward trend in the short term, indicating a potential further rise. Based on the past 3 months, there is a projected 166.52% change in the stock's value over the next 3 months. This suggests a potential return between 73.13% and 228.09%. Looking at the 12-month trend, it indicates a projected 38.9% change in the stock's value over the next year. The potential return for investors falls within the range of -45.08% to 67.91%. This translates to a price range of $1.60 to $4.89 after 1 year. Today, we're bringing you the latest update on Bitfarms Ltd. Let's dive into the details. The stock price of Bitfarms Ltd experienced a volatile ride on Friday, moving between $2.85 and $3.51. On the last trading day, the stock price fell by 12.35%, going from $3.32 to $2.91. Throughout the day, it fluctuated by 23.16%, reaching a low of $2.85 and a high of $3.51. Over the past 2 weeks, there has been a 0.69% gain in the stock price, but it has been experiencing ups and downs. Additionally, the volume of shares traded increased by 11 million on the last day, despite the falling prices. This could be seen as an early warning sign, indicating a slight increase in risk over the next few days. In total, approximately $139.76 million worth of shares were bought and sold, with a total of 48 million shares exchanged. Looking at the broader picture, the highest price the stock has reached in the past 52 weeks was $3.56, while the lowest price was $0.383. Currently, the stock price is 18.26% or $0.650 below the 52-week high. It is also 70.9% or $7.09 below the all-time high, which was reached on December 28, 2020, when the price reached $10. Analyst Ratings. In a recent report on Wednesday, November 29, 2023, Barclays upgraded its rating for BITF to a buy grade with a hold action. Analysts have given Bitfarms Ltd stock a general neutral rating. They rate the PE ratio as buy and price to book as buy. However, when it comes to return on investment, the analysts give the stock a sell rating. Let's analyze the signals for Bitfarms Ltd stock. The short-term moving average indicates a sell signal for Bitfarms Ltd stock. However, the long-term average shows a buy signal. Since the short-term average is above the long-term average, it gives a positive forecast for the stock, suggesting a general buy signal. If the stock continues to gain, it may face resistance from the short-term moving average at around $3.08. On the other hand, if the stock falls, it may find support from the long-term average at approximately $2.03. Breaking through the short-term average would trigger a buy signal, while breaking through the long-term average would trigger a sell signal. There are also some negative signals that may have an impact on the short-term development of the stock. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Wednesday, December 27, 2023, resulting in a 17.09% decline so far. It is expected to fall further until a new bottom pivot is found. Additionally, the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD, is currently showing a sell signal. Yesterday, volume increased as prices fell, which could be an early warning sign. It is recommended to closely monitor the stock in light of these signals. Here are some other signals that may pique your interest. The moving average convergence divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots showed a sell signal 3 days ago. Bollinger Bands gave a buy signal 47 days ago. The short-term moving average suggested a sell signal 2 days ago. The long-term moving average indicated a buy signal 24 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages showed a buy signal 47 days ago. Taking a look at the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average gave a buy signal 24 days ago. The long-term moving average also gave a buy signal 24 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 18 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us for more signals. Today, let's talk about support, risk, and stop loss for Bitfarms Ltd. Bitfarms Ltd has found support from accumulated volume at $2.89. This support level presents a potential buying opportunity as we can expect an upward reaction when it is being tested. However, it is important to note that this stock exhibits high levels of volatility, meaning it can experience significant price movements throughout the day. Additionally, the Bollinger Band indicates a wide prediction interval, further emphasizing the very high-risk nature of this stock. Looking at the past day, we see that the stock had a price range of $0.660 or 23.16% between its highest and lowest points. Over the past week, the average daily volatility has been 13.04%. Before we start discussing the potential trading levels for Bitfarms Ltd, let's quickly go over some important fundamental data. First, let's talk about the price-to-earnings ratio, also known as the P/E ratio. This ratio compares a company's current share price to its per-share earnings. A negative P/E ratio indicates that the company is either experiencing losses or has negative earnings. Even well-established companies face downturns, often due to external factors beyond their control. However, consistently negative P/E ratios may suggest inadequate profitability and potential risks of bankruptcy. Moving on, the next earnings report for Q4 2023 is expected to be released on March 19, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates stand at $0.0300. It's important to keep a close eye on these numbers as they can have a significant impact on stock prices. Today, let's take a closer look at potential day trading levels for Bitfarms Ltd. In the case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Bitfarms Ltd stands at $2.95. If you haven't invested yet, it might be wise to wait until this level is surpassed before considering a position. For those who already own shares, this could be an opportunity for swing trading. On the flip side, Bitfarms Ltd faces its first support level at $2.89. If this support level holds, it may present a favorable entry point, potentially leading to a rebound. Our recommended stop loss is set at $2.77 with a decrease of 4.88%. This stock experiences significant daily movements, which results in high risk. Recently, a sell signal was identified from a pivot top that occurred 2 days ago. Is Bitfarms Ltd stock worth buying? Despite several negative signals, Bitfarms Ltd should be considered a hold candidate due to the potential for a turnaround. While we have downgraded our analysis conclusion for this stock from a buy to a hold/accumulate candidate, it's important to await further development. Our systems have found that the current price of Bitfarms Ltd is undervalued based on the volatility and movements observed in the last trading day. On Tuesday, January 2nd, we anticipate Bitfarms Ltd to open up at $3.09, with an increase of $0.180. Before we dive into the world of trading, it's crucial to remember that there is a high risk of losing money. To make informed decisions, we strongly advise you to consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. Please note that StockInvest.us should not be the sole basis for your investment choices. By utilizing the information provided, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. Welcome to Stock Invest. Today, we want to share our current view of this stock with you. We value your opinion, so please feel free to comment below and share your thoughts. We're also curious to know what your target for this stock is. Remember, if you find this content valuable, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. We genuinely hope you find success in your trading endeavors. Have a beautiful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.